coating creates a wide range of opportunities for your business to grow. Take coating into residential and high-rise, pools, hydroelectric, and more. Not only can it grow your business, but coating creates opportunities by providing a great solution for many applications. Our system is perfect for potable water, small diameter and pressure pipes, as well as systems that need increased chemical, temperature, and rust resistance. And while coating isn't a replacement for CIPP lining, it's a solution when CIPP installation is impossible due to multiple bends or inaccessible reinstatements. The Picote Brush Coating System offers versatility and multifunction use. You can descale, degrease, and coat all in one. You can also make reinstatements on projects that combine coating and CIPP lining. With the Maxi Pump and Mini Pump combined, you can coat up to 135 feet of 1 1/4 to 12-inch pipe. The Picote Brush Coating System operates with a dual brush setup and applies our dual color 100% solids epoxy resin. Our resin is mixed through a specially engineered static mixing tip to perfectly mix the material outside of the pipe with no waste. The epoxy is applied in multiple color contrasting layers to allow for visual verification of each application. Stay in command on every job with our simple, easy-to-use operator controls. Our 100% solids epoxy resin is ASTM tested and NSF 61.5 approved for potable water pipes. And the Picote Brush Coating System is now WRC approved. Trained and certified installers can now offer a 10-year warranty. Ask your reseller about the Picote Brush Coating System today.